Hey everybody, it's Neil and I am here with Penny and we are going to try this. This is Best Zone and it is a dog dryer because Penny, when I give her a bath or a shower or whatever I give her, she goes crazy like trying to do the hair dryer because it's just I'm chasing her down and trying to hold her in place and stuff like that. So I got this thing here. This is a dog dryer. How cool is that? I mean, it's crazy looking, but I'll show you guys it here. There's buttons on the top and stuff, and these are what the buttons are going to do. And I kind of looked at it a little bit, but we're going to try to figure it out here. Like if you hold down the power button, it should turn it on, which it does. And then it's got a light, which is on right now. And then it's got different settings. So I could say soft dry, quick dry, warm house, cool house, and soft dry. So I'll just say soft dry, and then I hit the play button on it, and then it starts going, and the air goes and stuff like that. And then I can go, and my little Penny, it's in there. She's dry already. She didn't have a bath today. But I just go, here you go, sweetie. Sit down. Here you go, good girl. Like that. And then she'll be just getting the air, and it'll blow dry her softly. Right, Penny? Hey, girl. Good girl. And then I can even have a little unlock here, and I can put my hand in there and go, oh, good girly. So it just kind of gives her a little thing. So we're going to try this out next time I give her a bath and see if it's any good and see if it'll dry her out. What do you think, Penny? You like it? You like being in there or no? I don't know. I don't know. We'll see. She looks a little scared. Is that scary? I don't know. She's pretty got an easy temperament about stuff, so she probably doesn't care one way or the other. Probably if I stuck some treats or whatever toys in there, she would be even happier. But that's kind of it. So we'll see how this goes. But it seems like I can feel the air blowing in there and stuff, so it'll be kind of a nice way to get her dry. Probably if it's down on the floor too, it won't be quite as scary. She doesn't like to be up on the thing. Like if I put her on this stand even, she doesn't like it. But that's kind of it. So my little girl is going to be nice and clean and dry, hopefully. So I like it. Thumbs up. Very cool device.